Good day, everyone. For today's lessons, we will tackle how to draw a line, polyline, and circle through the use of AutoCAD. So, first, we can see the line, polyline, circle here in our ribbon. However, in older version in AutoCAD Classic, we cannot see the this ribbon, so we can just see it in our AutoCAD 2010. So I can easily give you some important keys like shortcuts for you to use this video even in a classic mode, so even in 2007 version. So first, draw the line. So you can easily click here or simply type L for the shortcut of line. L, enter, then specify the first point. So at the very beginning of the line, so we need to specify the first point. You can easily click anywhere or you can start at the origin. So this starting point or the origin point, so this type of drawing a line is through the coordinate system. So we can easily type 0, then comma, it will automatically lock, then comma, then 0, enter. So automatically the line will start at the origin or the 0, 0, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Then the other thing around, for example, I want to draw a line, so the x is 0, then comma again, automatically it will lock, and then what particular coordinates, for example for y, for example 20, then enter. So automatically the line was already drawn. So the other way to draw a line is through the use of distance. So in this particular, the movement of our crosshair through our mouse is very important. So since this will be give our direction, so for example I will move the mouse here to the right, then in what particular distance that we're going to put, for example 10 or 15, then instead of using a comma, you can use tab. Simply press tab, and then what particular degrees of an angle. So automatically if you want to have a straight line, so you can easily type 0, then enter, then move our mouse again downward since our aim is to draw a rectangle figure. Then simply type what is the measurement or the distance, since we know it is 20, then tab, in what particular angle, so we can saw it. So since we know that straight line here is about in 90 degrees, then enter. Then another one is move our mouse to the left, then simply type the distance, which is 15, then tab 180 degrees, then enter. So that is our first object, then press escape. So this is our first object through the use of line. So this is a rectangle. So what is the difference of this line to the polyline? So let us see. Polyline, you can actually click here or just simply type PL, enter, then specify the start point. So wherever we want, for example here, then so you can easily have a straight line vertically or horizontally through the ortho mode. Just press F8 or simply click this one in your status bar. So but I want to do it manually. For example, I want to draw it a straight line. Simply type what is the measurement for the distance, 20. Then tab, what particular degrees, 90. Then move your mouse to the right. Then what is the measurement, 15. Then tab, what particular degrees, 0. Enter. Then move it downward and put the measurement, 20 for the distance. What particular angle, 90. And then you can easily type close so that automatically it will go to the starting point of our figure. Then, so let us see the difference. So it has the same measurement, however, we can see the importance of this figure in three-dimensional. So how? So once we click the figure that we've done through the use of line, you need to click one by one for all of this line, so meaning to say it is not a solid figure. So you can use this, but however, for the next or the future discussion, we can join these lines through other commands. So however, so let us see the difference of these things, or these two command, so which is the line and polyline. So let us see all about the polyline. In polyline, you can it will automatically do a joint object, so joint line. So just simply click one part of the rectangle, but all of the lines will automatically selected because it is a solid object. Okay, so how important is that? So we can mention it in the next or the future discussion. The next thing is the circle. So circle, you can easily click here or simply type C, enter. Then, for example, I want to draw at the center of this line, for example, of this rectangle, but I cannot find it. So we need to set up first. Just simply type O snap or object snap, then enter. Then check the object snap, or simply type press the F3, but it is better to check first whether all the things that we need is already checked, like the end point. So the you can see it in the figure, the square. For the midpoint, I need this. You can see it in a triangle. Then the center of the circle, which is, you can see it through the use of center. However, we can use other object snap like node, quadrant, intersection, extension for the next figures that we were going to do in other discussion. So, but for the meantime, these three are important. So then, click OK. So if we want to draw a circle with this, which is the center of the center line, the center of this line. So just simply click C, click here or type C, then enter. Then automatically you can see the triangle there. But if you want to go here, so this is the end point of our figure. So but as I've said, I want to draw a circle here. So in typing a C, automatically you will just specify the radius. But if you want to specify a diameter, you can easily click D or type D, then enter, or just simply click here the diameter, or just simply go here, then center diameter. However, so as far as I'm concerned, I just want to use the radius. So for example, I want to put a radius of 5. So automatically the diameter of this circle is 10. So how can I have an example? So for example, I want to draw a circle through the use of diameter.